but I didn't know there was 31 questions.
Yeah, there's 31 questions.
A lot.
Okay.
All right. So are you ready there, Jocelyn?
Yep, I've got everything up.
All right. Okay. What about you, Abraham? Are you ready to go?
Abraham, you got a haircut.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I'm a little bit.
We love you, Jocelyn.
I love you guys so much. Sorry, I'm just a weirdo. Okay, let's do this thing.
All right, let's get this going. So, which of the following are categorical? I think there's 2 of them in here. It's going to be the toothpaste. Or
so it'll definitely be the toothpaste one, and then I think it's going to be
the vehicles.
I think it's going to be the vehicles, yeah. Because the number of animals in a local zoo, it's all one thing.
Right.
So I think, the second and third one are the ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does everyone agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So the mean IQ test score in the U.S. is 100. 20 randomly selected statistics students took an IQ test, and the mean of their scores was 112. Which of the following statements is or are true?
I think 100 is a parameter.
Yeah, I agree. I think 100 is the parameter, and then the 112 is the statistic.
Yep.
I agree with that.
Yes, because dealing with the mean, I agree with both of those.
Okay. Number 4. Rotham City has 4 distinct neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood has very low property values and another has extremely high property values. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to property values. What type of sample should we collect to gauge the residents' response to a proposed increase in property taxes?
I'm thinking the cluster sample on that.
I think that would be a good one.
Or is it the stratus? No, it's not going to be the stratified, whatever that word is.
One sec.
I'm trying to look for it.
It's gonna. Are you looking at the book, Brenda?
Oh, she's out there with them.
Oh, okay. Let me open the book here.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's a cluster sample because you're going to take it in each individual demographic.
Mm-hmm. I think it is going to be the cluster sample because the stratified. I think it's going to be the cluster sample because the stratified is the one I think it is.
It's definitely not a systemic, and it's definitely not a simple random sample.
No, it's not.
Come on, computer, open up that.
Stratified sampling refers to a type of sampling method, obviously. With stratified sampling, the researcher divides the population into separate groups called strata. Then a probability sample is drawn from each group.
So it might be a stratified.
Yeah, I think it's cluster then that I'm mixing it up with. Because with
I think
cluster sampling, the researcher divides the population into separate groups called, well,
Sorry, guys.
No, you're okay.
Okay. I think I need something. What number are you guys? 'Cause-
we're still working on number 4.
Okay.
Do you know what though? I think it is going to be cluster. Well, no, I think it's going to be stratified because stratified is taking from both portions and making it one group.
Oh, okay.
So it's yeah. Cluster says all items in one or more randomly selected clusters or blocks. So
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
I think it is going to be
I
stratified.
agree. I can agree with that.
okay.
Abraham, what do you think? I see
I'm
you
still
thinking over
looking
there.
for it, but I don't have a reason to say I don't believe that.
Okay. Because from what I'm getting from the definitions and whatever, is that cluster is taking from different populations and whatever and combining it into one, but it's not taking from all the groups in that population, only certain ones, just like random.
Right. Now I'm looking at question 5. Question 5 is the cluster sample. If you look
Okay.
at question 5.
Okay, let me see. When they sign experiments,
Yep.
Yeah. I think
Because on question 5, they're only pulling from 4th grade students. So question 5 is a cluster.
Yeah.
Yes. I agree. Okay. Number 6, at a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented?
I think it's the first one, simple random.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
I agree.
Have you had a chance to watch the video that Brother Greenlaw put on there, Jocelyn?
I haven't.
You need to. It's really informative. It really
Really?
it hit on what I was really struggling with in this last quiz, and
Okay.
it makes it really understandable. He
I'll
breaks
have
it
to
down
go
real
back and
well.
look at it. I know I started to, but I didn't go very far.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah. Okay. Number 7. A special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park. To adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum, the researchers took the list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample. What type of sampling scheme was implemented? I think that's a cluster.
Stratified.
Stratified? Yeah, I was thinking systemic, but we never talked about systemic. That wasn't a one that we we learned about.
Let's see. Okay. Sorry.
It's fine.
People just like to show off.
Okay.
Systematic is not it. Let's see.
So then I can see her stratified on that one.
Spice data into similar groups.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can see
because-
stratified. I
Mhm.
think stratified is it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I agree with that. Abraham, do you agree with that?
It's question 7, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I was looking at the other. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so question 8.
Okay, question 8. Using software, calculate the mean of the amount spent. Okay. So we have to open that up real quick.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I get the answer of 4.771. Did everybody else get that answer?
Sorry, it's still trying to open for me.
All right.
4.771.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got.
I mean, yes. 4.771.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, using software, calculate the standard deviation.
Okay.
So equals
And of the population, right?
yes. I got 1.911 or 912. in this
Yeah,
case.
912.
Yeah.
1.901.
912.
I think I'm missing something. Let me see. Yeah.
Okay, does everybody know how to create a histogram?
Yes.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, 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 yep. Okay. So it gives the information.
Mm-hmm.
Jessica and her research team measured the body temperatures of a sample of diving elephant seals. Never heard of those. Okay.
That was part of the reading. That was part of the
Really?
reading. Yeah, it was. I think it was chapter 2. But we did read about those.
Must have been when I was scheming.
Oh yeah. It was about the diving elephant seals. Yep, I remember
Yeah.
that reading.
Okay. Wow. Basically, we just have to complete the following table and use your work to answer the next 4 questions. So, what is the value of the number that goes in the position marked with A in the table above? So, 37.91 minus same thing. Like that.
Well, do we know what the mean was? We don't know. We don't have the mean yet.
The mean is just what's next to it over in the same table.
Yeah, but it's asking what the deviation from the mean is. We don't know what the mean is yet. We have to figure out the mean.
We're in 11,
Well,
right? So
is
it
it
says, what is the
not that?
value?
No, that's not it. That's just the representative of the temperature.
I just figured that was it because it's marked X above.
Right.
Maybe not.
So we have to figure out the deviation from the mean.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to get the mean and then
Yeah, so
the
we got to
standard
get that mean
deviation.
first.
Okay. So let's pull up that Excel thing.
91. 37.
So the mean is 38.075.
What, 0.5?
38.075 is what I'm getting as the
Okay,
mean.
that's what I got. Yeah. And we have to get the standard deviation from
Right.
that. Sorry, the deviation from that. Okay. No, maybe I should put it
And the standard deviation, I have it as 0.715.
That's what I have as well.
0.715. Yeah,
Yeah.
me too.
All right.
And
So
that means it's going to be 38.075.
38.075 is the mean, yeah.
mhm.
Okay. All right.
Oh no, we have to do square
So-
deviation. So the deviation. So we have 37.91. This minus this. I get an answer of minus 0.165. Do you get that?
So it's the
Yeah.
37.91 minus 38.0 minus 0.165.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. What quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the squared deviations column?
Wait, what about question 12 is going to be, oh, the same, right? 37.25 minus the, wait, I'm kind of confused right now.
Wait, hang on.
Minus the standard deviation.
I get 0.027 on that. So what you do is you just use the same formula that we figured at A, and then put
Okay.
parentheses around it, and then do a shift 6, then put a 2 because we have to square it, and then you'll get your answer.
So it's gonna be 0.681.
No, negative 0.165. It's going to be the same formula if you look at what's there, what's given there. Okay, so it's the same formula. It's just square it.
Okay, so it's gonna be.
And so all you have to do is use the same formula, put parentheses around it, and do the shift 6, and then do a 2, so it raises it to the second power.
Okay.
And so you should get an answer of 0.027. Does that everyone get that answer?
0.027?
Yeah.
Yep.
But I got a different number. I got a 0.681 because it says take B. So B is going to be 37.25 minus 38.075.
I'm using the wrong one. You are correct. I'm using the wrong
That's why I was
one.
like, what?
Wait, what?
In 12?
Yeah. So you need to use the next one down, the 375, 37.5.
Instead of the 37.91.
Yes, you are correct. So I got 0.681. Is that what you got, Glenda?
Yeah, me too. I did. Yeah, definitely.
I'm glad you saw that.
Yeah, I was kind of like, Okay. 13. What quantity is equal to the sum of the number in the square deviation column?
None of them are. Oh, wait. It's the standard deviation. Isn't that the standard? No, that's not going to be the standard deviation.
No, it's actually it's a theorem, isn't it? The sum of the number. Oh, no, that's probability.
Right.
So it's none of these is correct.
None of these, yeah. That's what I agree.
Yeah, it's probability. The sum of all the probabilities, you have to be 1.
What about Jocelyn or Abraham? What do you think on that one, on 13?
I agree.
It is not working.
You agree with it, Abraham?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
What is the standard?
The standard deviation of those 4 temperatures is 0.715.
Yep. 0.715.
Standard deviation can never be negative.
Nope, never.
Do you agree with that, Abraham?
Yeah. I'm still working on my Excel sheet because it's not working.
Which one are you still working, Abraham?
On just to see the which one? Number 12. That is
Okay.
0.681.
Okay. Did you know how to get that?
Yeah, but my Excel is where I was doing all of that.
Did you already start recording this, Abraham? I forgot. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yes, it's recording.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
That would have been bad.
Yeah.
Would you guys be
we-
weirded out if I took a picture right now?
No.
No.
Just because I have like a wall of pictures of everyone in my life, and you guys are important.
Oh.
So I want to take a picture of you guys. Is that okay? I don't want to be weird about it though. Ready?
Yay. Well, actually, there's my picture there, so.
Perfect.
All right. Did your spreadsheet work, Abraham?
No, I don't know. I think I need to restart the computer.
Oh.
Oh no.
Not.
So do you have to restart, Abraham?
Yeah, but I will figure out what to do. We can continue.
All right.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, I'm gonna take another one so it's big and because the other one came out kind of small. Okay.
Wait a sec. I'm gonna open up my camera so you can have a peek of me, even though I look so crappy.
No, you never
Yeah.
look happy. I'm sure you're as beautiful. Look,
No, look.
Glenda, you are beautiful.
Oh my gosh, thanks.
Okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. You guys are some of my favorite people ever.
No, you're so sweet. That's the only thing what I like this class because of you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I will restart the computer because.
All right. Do you want us to wait for you?
Is it still going to
Getting-
record?
Do you think the recording will continue?
Cool.
We can try, and then if it doesn't, then we'll just post 2 videos.
So we'll wait for you, Abraham.
Yep.
Okay. I will do it faster.
All right.
I
Alrighty.
really.
Take your time.
So it's a good thing I don't have to work till noon tomorrow.
I don't work tomorrow.
You don't work
But I
tomorrow?
have to go get my hair done, so it's kind of like I worked.
I just cut my hair.
You did?
Yeah,
That's
and I
really
dyed it.
cool. I like it a lot.
Yeah, it's the bob style. So
Glenda, you should let us see you more. You're beautiful.
thank you. I'm kind of shy. And usually my bathroom is super messy, so that's why.
It's okay. You can see my my little cocoon area.
Are you in a dorm or in an apartment?
It's in an apartment, but we each get our own rooms.
Uh-huh.
So mine is just kind of plain right now.
Okay.
I'm slowly decorating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of decoration, but I have like some frames. Like, can you see that in the temple right here? So
Yes, perfect.
yeah.
I need to get a picture of my favorite temple.
I
I'm
have the
gonna guess, is it
Mexico
the Atlanta
one.
temple?
Actually, that's my second favorite. My favorite temple is the San Diego temple.
Ah, that is a
Oh,
beautiful
yeah.
temple.
Beautiful.
That is kind of like
And
a castle, isn't it?
and the way that it comes up, you just make that curve on the freeway, and it's just right there.
It's just beautiful.
Wow.
It's like my dream to get married there.
Wow.
So we'll see.
Yeah, when my wife and I got married, it'll be 30 years this August.
What?
Oh.
Yeah, 30 years. My youngest is 22 years old.
I'm 22 years old.
So you're the same age as my youngest.
I'll be 23 in August.
Wow.
He'll be 23 in May.
I'm
What day in
26.
August?
I feel old.
What's that?
What day in August did you get married?
August 9th of
Nice.
88. The only reason my anniversary is not 8/8/88 is because the temple is closed on Monday. And I told my wife we had to get married in the Jordan River Temple because my first mission president was the temple president, and so he would be the one to seal us.
Wow.
That's so sweet.
Yep.
I just want to be married with kids.
Yeah, it'll happen.
Be hungry.
It will happen. But
Yeah,
right
it'll
now,
happen.
I'm focused on my studies and getting my life together.
Don't put it off, but don't rush it.
No, I won't. I won't. I don't know if you heard me the other day telling Glenda, but I was actually married before.
Ah.
Yeah, I got divorced. Well, my divorce was finalized last August.
Mm-hmm.
And we separated the August before that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I'm not doing that again.
Nope. Don't rush it.
No, I won't. No, I won't. Yeah, that won't happen again. Okay. You guys are my favorite people.
You're so sweet. I really miss you guys when we don't talk.
We should always talk anyways.
Yes, definitely.
I always say that to my groups.
For sure.
I always
Remind me
do
of one of my
math
best
online.
friends.
I've always done math online. And so I'm always like, we should keep talking after. And sometimes it happens with like certain ones, but sometimes it doesn't. And that's okay. People have lives too, but it's nice to once in a while.
Yeah. You need to add us on Facebook, so
Yes.
There's something
Yep.
to enjoy.
Oh.
That's my granddaughter.
Really? He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at those cheeks.
I know, right?
So sweet.
What is Sweetie Pie?
She's a 9-month-old little chubster.
I love babies.
I work with kids, so it's really hard to not want them, you know? Sometimes I'm like, I want kids so bad. Especially when they hug me or they're